Let's make the Cuba Libre recipe from the 12-bottle bar by David Solmonson and Lesley Jacob Solmonson. I got this recipe for the Cuba Libre from the 12-bottle bar by David Solmonson and Lesley Jacob Solmonson. And the question is it really a Cuba Libre? There are two closely related drinks. There's a Cuba Libre and there's a rum and cola. The rum and cola has rum and cola. A Cuba Libre has rum, cola, and lime juice. However, there is a lot of overlap in between because most rum and colas will use a lime as a garnish, and sometimes that lime is squeezed into the drink, putting some lime juice in it. So therefore, or in that case, does the rum and cola become a Cuba Libre? I'll let you be the judge. In any case, in the book it's referred to as a Cuba Libre, so we're going to go with that. A note on the rum. The 12-bottle bar separates rum into two categories, white rum and amber rum. A white rum is a rum that looks white. An amber rum is everything else. In this case, their Cuba Libre recipe calls for a white rum. I'm going to be using Trader Joe's Rum of the Gods. Feel free to use the white rum of your choice. We are going to build this drink in the glass, and the glass is either a Collins, which I'm going to be using, or a Rocks. The first step is to fill that glass with ice. Filled enough. Then we're going to put 1.5 ounces of rum into our glass. 1.5 ounces is 45 milliliters. Okay. Add 6 ounces of Coca-Cola, or not Coca-Cola, any cola really. I'm going to be using Mexican Coca-Cola. It's my cola of choice. And I am going to be measuring this out just to see how well I did on my measurements. Normally, with this sort of thing, I would not measure. So, ooh, and that's fuzzing. Pour slower. That's going to throw off my measurements, isn't it? Normally I wouldn't measure it. What's the point of measuring this? Authenticity, that's it. Then the garnish is a lime wedge, which you're supposed to squeeze in, which means this may cross into the Cuba Libre category. Drop in and give it a gentle stir and a straw. And there you have it, the Cuba Libre from the 12-bottle bar. Drink with good spirits.